Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shanette with Shanette for Life. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I prepare my vegan strawberry and banana waffles. This recipe only calls for 4 ingredients, and these waffles are healthy and delicious. Please don't forget to like this video, leave me a comment down below, and if you haven't already subscribed, what are you waiting for? Hit that notification bell and select all. This ensures you'll never miss a video that I upload.